Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. For once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. For once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Sometimes you fall.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Unice Hair. Shout out to you, Unice, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. The unit that I am wearing, let me find out the name first. It says, on the site, it says Unice reddish brown 3C curly hair 13x4 lace front autumn breeze wig. And so when I go down to the product details, it says the hair color is a number 33. It is definitely serving 33 vibes, honey. For a minute I thought it was 99J, and so I put on my 99J lipstick and I was like, nope, this is definitely Auburn. I don't know what's going on with my eyes, but this is definitely Auburn, not 99J. It says 100% human hair, curly wig, 13x4 lace front. It can be dyed. It's an average cap size. It says Swiss lace in medium brown color. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details go. Let me see what lengths it's available in, and then I'm gonna check and see what length they sent me. Give me one moment. Okay, so the unit is available in 8 to 26 inches. I gotta check my email and see if they told me what length they were going to send me, and I don't. Oh yes, they sent me 24 inches. So the unit that I have is 24 inches and it is 150% density. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs that they have on their site. Now, this unit, in my opinion, did come pre-tweezed. I did not tweeze this unit whatsoever, and if you know me, then you know that is definitely a plus. I did decide to bleach the knots, and you can kind of see that it's kind of reddish looking in here. I probably should have left my purple shampoo on it a little bit longer, but I'll do that probably at a later date. But as far as the hairline, like, old girl woke up like this, honey. Okay, she woke up like this.
I woke up like this, flawless.
I did not have to tweeze this unit whatsoever. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I really didn't notice any, but I also did not use my brush on this unit. I just finger combed it and just kind of pulled the curls out. I didn't notice any shedding. I did hit a snag or two, which I expected because it is a curly wig, but it was nothing to write home about. I just want to let you guys know, so you can't say I didn't tell you because I told you, girl. Okay, now as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is. I did have to adjust the straps, and I did tighten the elastic band. So they do have a band as well as the adjustable straps. So I feel like even if you have a smaller head, you could still make this unit work because of that band. You would just have to cut more lace off. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all. Con is 13 by 4. Okay, so even here, and I'm trying to see if you may be able to kind of see it, like you have to be very, very careful with your parting when it comes to a 13 by 4. Now, in my opinion, I think this unit would be really, really cute as even just like a comb over, you know what I'm saying? It just gives that comb over vibe. So I don't think it's a big issue with this particular unit, but I do want to throw it out there so you guys know. In my opinion, like a 13 by 4 is like probably my least favorite, type of bronze. So yeah, I prefer a closure, honestly. So yeah, I want to throw that out there so you guys know. My pros are, first of all, you know I love that it came pre-tweezed because you know your girl lazy. I hate tweezing wigs. I hate it, like with a passion. And I also love the color and the texture of this wig. It is definitely serving me all the fall vibes that I need. Honey, I put on my little fall blazer. I am just like in fall mode, okay? So I definitely love that about this unit. Yeah. So yes, obviously I would recommend this unit. I think even though I said it's serving all the fall vibes, I do feel like it's the type of unit that you can wear year round. So I love that as well. And honestly, the texture and all that is everything for me. Okay, it is everything for me. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this unit. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling it. Let me know if it's a look, if it's a vibe to you. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Comment down below. Sound off in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Unice, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If any of you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And your girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. Stop crushing out one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. Helps me see on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every styles and weekly. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous.